1 week. I'm not a perfect person. I never meant to do those things to you. And so I have to say before I go. I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change you. I used to be. Let's read. Let's read. Enter your configuration name for this stage. This will be referenced later when you use the SAM pipeline init command. Stage configuration name. Account detail. The following AWS credential sources are available to use. To know more about configuration AWS credentials, visit the link below. Enter the region in which you want these resources to be created. Enter the pipeline IAM user ARN if you have previously created one, or we will create one for you. Enter the pipeline execution rule ARN if you have previously created one. Okay, only one stage were detected, fewer than what the template requires. 2. If these are incorrect, delete. Do you want to go through stage setup process now? Yes, stage 2 setup. So this is gonna be 17 stage 2. The following AWS creation will be allowed default name profile. That's why I need you to hear. I found a reason for me. Change who I used to be. A reason to start over new. And the reason is you. Sorry that I hurt you. It's something I must live with every day. But all the things I put you through, I wish that I could take them all away and be the one who catches all your tears. And I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be. Kevin, who the hell is you? Who the hell is you? Doc's game soon. Coin pre-sale. Well, these are crypto scams. Code commit. This is JX Sam 17. Code commit repo. Main. What is the template file name? Template 1 JX Sam 17 stage 1 stack. And for the 2, this is going to be JX Sam 17 stage 2 stack. Alright, here we go. So let's open the files that were created and let's go to template. This is where we are going to whitelist the Philippines. So this one here, Philippines, and we don't want it to be available in it's just whitelist this countries. And what else? Alright, so this one here is always causing some issue. We want to do it like this, and are there any distribution? Yeah, so yeah, I think this is the only one with the distribution. And then for the where is our, so these are the, this is the API gateway, this is the lambda functions, this is for the DynamoDB sample table, primary key, provision, the write capacity units and the read capacity units, simple table. So this is the S3 bucket. Yeah, index. So the current generated front end is view. So we have it. We have the sample of it in the previous video that we created. Now we want to replace this with Angular. So if you go to front end, yeah, so we want to delete all of it and replace it. Let's see here. If you can just swap them easily. Some starter front end. So if we, does this matter? Nope. Yeah, I think no. Plugins. Okay, so let's delete this. or we want to maybe here in the repos, right? So maybe we go here and create a dir deletable, and then you want to create a new Angular app. So this one here is Sam17 web. So while we're waiting for it to complete, let's just let's try to see. Environment's happy DOM. Will this matter? Package. Yeah, this one here, happy DOM. And that Vite, yeah, view site, yeah, I think it doesn't matter. So hopefully we can just swap the front end code here, and for deploy front end, this is where it will matter, because this is the one that will be uploaded to the S3 bucket, and we haven't deployed it yet, so let's just wait for it to complete. Yeah, so what we want to do is first we want to deploy first the where is this stacks? Query stacks. So query stacks, CloudFormation describe. So I believe we want to deploy first, and then after the deployment, we are going to deploy the front end. Okay, so there you go. It's done. So let's open that up. It's in home, deletable. Here, copy that, and put that in repo. This one here. Then Sam CLI 17. Go to front end. Delete the front end. Paste. Yeah, paste that in there. And let's see. So, right. So what we didn't notice is, do we have a node module on that? But yeah, let's just see if this will work. So what we want to do is go here and then Sam deploy, so that it will deploy. But yeah, let's just see if the Angular will be copied. We should have a code to integrate with what is this, Sam 17. We should have a code that will integrate with the Lambda functions. So in here, source main.js, go to view, get items, components, list item, get method, yeah. Yeah. Process, let's see, where is this? In the front end. Okay, so gateway, yeah. This is just a yeah, environment. We can use that with Angular also, but let's just see what's going on here. Okay, let's deploy. So it's creating the DynamoDB and it's creating the S3 bucket. So creation of the DynamoDB is already completed. Creating in progress for the IAM rule that will be implemented. So the S3 bucket is now completed also. CloudFront origin access control is completed. I'm not a perfect person. I'll never meant to do those things to you. I know well it's out to live it in my face. So this is the deploy front end, and does it? Yeah, it does an npm run build. Where does it go? It goes to it goes inside the front end and npm install. Yeah, npm install, and then we can even then npm run build. So the disk is here, and then this disk here will be frontend create and validation. So this one here will be in sync with the S3 bucket. Yeah, I think it's so good. We can just while we're waiting for it, I think we can, yeah, we can remove this and put this here. And let's go to cd frontend g generate component pages dashboard standalone. So in here we'll put path like that, and then load component, and then import pages dashboard component, and then dashboard component. Then this is our dashboard component. So here is SAM 17. Okay, so it's still waiting. While waiting, we can continue this one. Import HTTP client module, and you're going to import that here from common HTTP client module, and in here we can do the constructor, then inject, or maybe I just use it the old way, HTTP client, and then this .http that get some URL in here, and then subscribe, then next, that, and then complete is like that. But this one here, we'll just see how it will be handled in front end, how we can get the environment. Oh, it's now completed. Now we want to PowerShell deploy frontend PS1, and our cloud formation is JXSAM17, and it will deploy our front end. See, it's building. Yeah, so this one here, we want to change this to an Angular endpoint later on. So this will be our environment. So if you want to go here, we want to see this, copy. This is 17. This one here, we want to change this, and we want to change this. And where else was this added? So this is in the PowerShell one. So output dot env. Where is so this one here is the env. Saan nga? Ako ang gisend? Where's my phone? Wait. Wait. I'm sorry. Oops. This one. Invalidation is now complete. So now we want to check our cloud formation. This one, our cloud front. This one. Let's go to the browser. This should give us our Angular app. And this one is access denied. Let's see here in our template. We have the PH in here. What else needs to be done? So let's pause here. Okay, so let's go to our S3 bucket. Go to buckets. This one here, does it have, oh, yeah. So let's move, can we move this? Move. How do we move this? Let me just copy. Okay, we want to delete this. Delete all of it. And then let's redeploy. And let's change the front end here. This, and then this will be SAM. Right, SAM. This and SAM17 web. Yeah. And that's where we want to redeploy JXSAM17, so it will re-upload. What is that? File already exists. Has added to the one. It added to. So we want to remove that. Okay, so this one. Alright, there's our Angular. Yeah, so it's working. So if we want to change this, this one to SAM 17. Oh no, this one from, from this one to SAM 17, and then replace, and then the SAM 17 here. So in the deploy env, yeah, we can delete that. We can delete this so that it will not add anything there. So env is SAM17. So now, well, the question is how we can get the, let's see how the view did it. View component, this one, yeah, process. Okay, so like this. So in our Angular here, oh, hold on, where is our Angular? 17, this one. No, this is 14. We want to close this. 15, we want to close this. So this is a 17. And let's go here. This one. Okay. And what we can do is like that. Then this one here would be SAM 17. Yeah, how do we process A and V? We do it like this: const v is equals to process env right, and then want to, or maybe yeah, for now maybe just console.log the result, and in here result like that, console.log complete, and next is we want to deploy again SAM JX SAM 17. Step. Uh-oh. So let's open up our, what is this? JX SAM 16. Let's open this one up. And let's look again at our view process. Process is how to read the process. Angular. Okay. Go to Angular. Google Angular. How to read process. Process.env. Trisha. I still have to install this. uh, um, let me put you down. No, my morning star. Make my dream come true. You're my treasure. Oh, oh, oh. Treasure. I put you out. You're my morning star. Make my dream come true. You're my treasure. Oh. How to make Angular read from .env. Da-da-da-da-ding. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Every day's a new day. Think you're forever breath I take for granted. My mistakes. So my knowledge does not support reading environment file environments from Angular typically used during the build. If you need truly environment specific variables like secret, you should on server side and provide them to Angular through API calls. um, yeah, I think I have a code for that. Let's see here. Make my dream come true. You're my treasure, you. Na, 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 na. Or is it an SSM API? Yeah, nope. Is it here? No. System manager, nope. So there should be like a environment .env. Yeah, just have to accept the fact that we can't set that up here. So let's just where is our? Let's just go to our. What is this? Why is it uploading node modules? Some 17. Go to the so this one, yeah, this one here. We'll just copy this entire thing and then put that in an environment. mga tala. Alright, so this one, and we want to add a form. So if you want to add a form, let's go to forms, form builder. Oh, no, reactive forms, then forms module, and here you're gonna FB form builder, then form group, and then this that forms equals to this that form FB that private group. So the group is, go to our DynamoDB. Table, explore. What are the attributes? Uh, let's see the template in here. This is 17, right? Yeah. To the sample table. Yeah, ID type string. Yeah, we can add whatever we want in there. So in here, form group, let's say name, and then here is, we're going to create a form group. So form, I'm going to add ngf form, then input, oops, form control name is name, and we're going to add a button, save, then click, save. See the post, go to template, get put port, what is the, yeah, it's a post. So let's go here, go to our dashboard, so save, where's our save here? So save was to this http://post, then subscribe, and then the URL here is the environment.api this dot hmm? Sa langga napag-iubot ang gihuman langga. Manon sana ako nilangga. Manon sana ako na ba? Aw, buing. Wow. Na 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 na. Trisha, make my dream come true. No, you. Na 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 na. All right. So it's going to create, and this one is all going to get. So get. We'll just move this and put this here. Names as observable. Yeah, we don't know the form yet, so let's just subscribe. All right. So with this one, we want to PowerShell deploy front and PS1. Na 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 na. Trisha, make my dreams into. And all my treasure you. Na, gilupig na sa kuha nilang ga. Gilupig na sa kuha ni. Walay, kani ba? Dugay-dugay pa nilang ga. Oo. Oh, ako lang itaw niya. Nag-record ba ako? Alright, so it's now uploaded. So let's refresh. You should have the form by now. Let's see the console. Console, yeah, 0. So we put here Vlad. Save. Refresh. We have, oh, we have here. Okay. So name. So we can actually just this one here. This dot names is an observable of ID string name string, and this dot http this dot http can actually just export class name here, an ID string, then name is a string. What? Just put interface, and then name is here, name is here. So you can put an I here, I name for the interface, and here we can ng for let name of names async, and this should be an observable names of and even though the moments pass me by, second turn away. Dun, 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 dun. Saw the dreams you never thought you would lose. Saw some blown away. Or maybe items. Items in here. Items. Now recall a more face. I never knew their names. Go to ChatGPT. Fix this. And um, this. And just remove the save. Don't belong to no one, that's a shame. You could hide beside me and maybe for a while. And I want to know on your. Oh, yeah, sorry. Sorry, so sorry. I won't tell your name. Alright, so that's it. Um, yeah, so if we this one should refresh. How can I force it to refresh this one? And then inside me, and maybe for a while. And I want to know what your aim. I want to know your name. Think about you all the time, then I don't need to sing. Songs where you are, come back down. I want to know your name. Bum bum ba ba bum bum. Alright, so let's go. So this one is Jam 7JX17. Think about you all the time. Nani nagdagkuan naga baruto sa parkinganan. Di ba nagdag baruto sa parkinganan ba? Ang laki. Songs where you are, come back down. I won't tell your name. Dun, dun, da, da, dun, dun. Every day is a new day. I thankful for every breath I take. Don't give for granted. And now I learn from my mistakes. It's beyond my control to do what about it go. Whatever happened to this lifetime? So I trust and love. You were giving me peace of mind. I feel so alive for the very first time. I can't deny you. Feel so alive. I feel so alive for the very first time. And I think I could fly. Alright, so it was refresh. Let's go here. Refresh this one. Then we have Vlad. Then we have one. I have Vlad 2. One add Vlad 3. Then we add Vlad 4. There you go. That's it. Vlad 5. Refresh. Alright, damn. That's it. Alrighty. So we're able to run Angular as the front end, and then we got backend and DynamoDB already running for us, and it's also already in CloudFront. Nice, right? Thanks.